Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Got the answer of yesterday's question or stuck anywhere? Hello? Hello?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Got the answer of yesterday's question? The answer of yesterday's question. We continue the same thing or should we go for another topic?
We'll continue this only, sir.
Got the answer of yesterday's question?
No, sir.
You're not right. No one sent the question. Okay, we'll do the same topic, but it will take a lot of time if we are doing 2 days one topic. Right. So let us start. The same question we should continue yesterday's question. The question is solve y sine 2x minus 1 plus y square plus cos square x. Forget to write here dx. Dx is also there. Minus 1 plus y square plus cos square of x dy is equals to this. Okay, now. So this one, this is the problem number 1. So let me go for in detail this question number 1. This our question is of the form mdx plus ndy is equals to 0. It means that the value of m is equal to y sine 2x. The value of y we have to differentiate partially with respect to y. So I'm going in detail. Y should be multiplied with the function of x. So derivative of y with respect to y is 1. In that case, sine 2x will be as. So sine 2x, 1 the sine 2x is your answer. Now the value of n is equal to, if you multiply with minus, let us see if you compare, n value should be negative, minus 1 minus y square minus cos square of x. So this one we have to differentiate partially with respect to x. Look at that. Here we don't have any x term, constant 0. Y square also, since we are differentiating with respect to x, again becomes a constant, becomes 0. This minus sign I wrote as it is, x square. For this one, let me do some rough work. We are going to apply this formula, x to the power of n formula. What is that formula? Nx power n minus 1 into inner function, that is d by dx of x. Understand? Please reply. If you reply, then only it will be convenient for me. Now, what happened here is
Yes,
d by dx of cos square of x. Square term we are going to differentiate. Let us compare these two. If you compare, your n value is 2 here. Our x value is cos x here. All to the power of 2 minus 1 into d by dx of cos x. What happened? What answer we are getting? Let us see. 2 cos x power 2 minus 1 is 1. So we need to write. And we know that the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. This is equal to minus 2 sin x into cos x. So trigonometry sin 2 theta is equals to 2 into sin theta into cos theta. So which form is this? 2 sin x into cos x is minus as it is sin 2x. The same answer we have to write here. Sin 2x. Okay. Yes. Minus sin x. Yeah. This minus, and we have already here one minus, so together becomes plus. So we are getting the satisfaction here. It means what we are getting? Dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x. This equation number 1, this one is exact now. Therefore, 1 is exact. Up to here, any doubt? Up to here, any doubt? Up to here, any doubt?
no, sir.
Let us go for the solution. The solution is, here only I'll do it, integral of m dx plus integral of n dy is equal to cos m dx. What is the value of m here? Y sine 2x
2x.
dx plus. Now tell me, from this n value, what I should write here? The rule is terms not containing x. So what I am getting here? Tell me. What should I write here?
Minus 1 minus y square.
Exactly. Minus 1 minus y square into dy is equal to terms not containing x. X nahi hai, so terms. Now treating y as a constant means y will be outside. Integration of sine 2x dx plus into minus minus. This integral with 1 you may get like this, 1 dy minus y square dy is equal to constant. So y as it is. See, for this one I'll tell you the basic. The basic behind is integration of sine x dx is equal to minus cos x. After that, be careful here. What is x coefficient here? X coefficient, nothing we have means we should write here. Nothing means 1, means denominator 1 plus c. This is the integration of sin x minus cos x by 1 plus ये 1 कहाँ से आया? X coefficient है. For example, अगर मैं आपको पूछा, what is the integration of sin ax dx? Can you tell me the answer of this? Come on. Integration of sin is minus cos ax by a plus c. यही थिंग यहां पर कंटिन्यू करें, क्या होता है इसका आंसर बोलिए. कम ऑन माइनस cos
2x by
2 cos 2x by 2, that's it. Minus 1 dy is y minus y square integration is y cube by 3. And that is equal to cos 10, and this is your answer. Getting perfectly?
Yes, sir.
आप दोनों भी है ना क्लास में, नम्रता and I don't know Nikita. What happened? Do
Yes,
you
sir.
have any problem in this? Whatever the basic is required, I'm doing here in the rough column. You see, my suggestion is you can practice the same question also. That's also enough for you. Because anyhow, past papers only I'm doing. Okay, अब same question पे practice कर लिए तो भी enough हो जाना. Let me do for one more question which I gave yesterday.
Sir, could you show the sum again?
Yes,
Could you show the sum again?
this one.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is not clear. Louder, please, little louder.
Okay, sir. I just wanted to see the sum. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Problem. You want to see? You can see. Even I will send you the PDF and recording also both. और
Okay,
एक
sir.
चीज मैं आपको अदर ग्रुप में और भी इससे हटके भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस भिजाया था, मैं वो चेक कर रहे हैं आप लोग साथ में.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I did check.
Yes, that's a different, and this is different. Okay, those questions are different.
Okay.
Solve 2y sin x, 2y sin x plus cos y of dx.
So, can
Yep.
you send some important type of formulas which will be used frequently in these type of questions?
We can't say which one is repeated. Integration 1 dx, this is repeated. This is repeated number of times.
I'm not talking about the basic formulas. I'm talking about the later on formulas which you have used after defining it. It is exact, right?
Okay, we'll see.
Okay.
Because even I don't know, I'm just सिर्फ क्वेश्चन देख रहा हूं मैं और सॉल्व कर रहा हूं. कौन सा फॉर्मूला उसमें यूज हो रहा पहले से ही मैं बोलना बिल्कुल पॉसिबल नहीं है. 2 cos x, हाँ ये एक हो सकता है. देखिए tan y, this is here possible. You should know integration of tan x, integration of tan x.
सर कल आप cos 2x दिए थे सर.
किसका tan का?
उसका आगे का टर्म सर.
एक बार मैं चेक कर
2
लूं.
cos
2y sin x plus cos y dx is equal to x sin y plus 2 cos x plus tan y dy. ये से कुछ
Yes, sir. Yes.
यही कुछ. Integration of tan x is log mod cos x. Log mod cos x plus c. Cos भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर, sec भी लिख सकते हैं, but cos ही याद रखो. Now I am doing the solution of this problem. Solution. Maximum student what the mistake they are doing now, mdx plus ndy बोल के start कर देते हैं. This is not mdx plus ndy form. Actually, this question can also be written as 2y sin x plus cos y of dx. All the values take one side to get mdx plus ndy form. And now taking all the values in one side and taking minus common, we get like that. X sin y plus 2 cos x plus tan. You have one option here that you can write minus sign for each and every term, or simply take it minus common. Both are accepted. So now we say that this our question is mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Now can you tell me what is m now? Come on, what is m now? To please reply every student. 2y
2y
sin
sin x
x
plus cos y.
cos y. Look at that. What we have to do? We have to differentiate this value partially with respect to y. With respect to y. Dou m by 2y. With respect to y means, look at this. 2 is a constant. Y with respect to y is becomes 1. Multiply में है तो multiply वाले terms as it is. मतलब 2 into 1 into sin x and cos y is minus sin. Get it? Any doubt in this? N value, all the terms are negative. Minus x sin y minus 2 cos x minus tan y. Now this value of n partially we have to differentiate with respect to x. That is equal to, with respect to x minus as it is, x with respect to x becomes 1. Sin y is in multiple as it is, minus 2 as it is. Cos x with respect to x, cos का differentiation minus sin x. Now tan y with respect to x we are doing means it is a constant, becomes 0. So our answer is minus sin y, minus into minus plus 2 sin x. Yes. Tell me any doubt?
How did tan become 0?
Because with respect to x we are doing, here we don't have any x term.
Okay.
With respect to x means the term which are not containing x becomes 0.
Okay, yes, I got you.
So both of the values are same. You see 2 sin x minus sin y. Minus sin y plus 2 sin x means it is definitely satisfying the condition of exactness. एग्जाम में आपको मैक्सिमम ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस पूछेगा जिसमें कंडीशन ऑफ एग्जैक्टनेस सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. Dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x. So therefore, what do you say? One is exact. One is exact. Please see my recordings of this same topic. So then this class will become easy for you. Now finally, we
Yes,
have
sir.
to write the solution. Finally, the solution will be the solution is integration of m dx. मैं निकिता और नम्रता को स्पेशली बोल रहा हूँ. आप लोग ऐसा मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा कि अभी ये क्लास अभी पढ़ रहे, बस अगर दूसरा क्वेश्चन थोड़ा भी स्ट्रक हुआ तो आप छोड़ दे रहे, ऐसा दिख रहा मुझे. ऐसा मत करिए. आप पहले सेम प्रॉब्लम को प्रैक्टिस करिए, उसके बाद सिमिलर पैटर्न के क्वेश्चंस को करिए. मैक्सिमम तो आपको आ जाना चाहिए. अगर कोई स्टेप में स्ट्रक हो रहे तो ही मेरे को पूछे, आपको आ जाता. चल एम डी एक्स, एम वैल्यू इज 2y sin x plus cos y of dx plus now next step I'll move on. If you say the answer, terms not containing x नहीं है, so terms बोलिए, come on. From the
Minus
n,
sin
हाँ बोलो क्या है जिसमें x नहीं है, come on.
minus sin y.
Minus tan y, that's it. dy is equal to c. पूरा लिखने का जरूरत ही नहीं. Terms not containing x. और इसमें क्या बोल रहे हैं restrictions? Y is a constant, 2 is a ordinary constant, y is a special constant. So therefore sin x dx only left. Plus, since y is a constant, cos y is also a constant outside, 1 dx minus integral of tan y dy is equal to c. Now finally the answers. Come on now, answers. Tell me. 2y as it is. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Okay. And 1 dx is x means I should write like this. x cos y. So don't write x y into x. नहीं तो वो पढ़ने में मुश्किल होता है. Cos y x हो जाता है. X cos y is correct answer. Minus. I gave the formula here. You see, tan x dx is log mod cos x. So here we write it as log mod cos y and mod close. That is equal to c, and this is your answer. Exactness condition we have to check. Once it is exact, simply write down the solution and simply finish the problem. Okay. What the idea means, I can move on to the integrating factor. Next topic today. Integrating factor.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let us move on for integrating factor. So what is the definition you see?
Sir, I didn't get that last step.
Just wait. Which is step?
This log cos y.
Tan x integration is log mod cos x. What about tan y becomes? The variable has been changed. That's it. Instead of
Okay,
x,
I
we
got
have
you.
y. That's it.
Yeah, I got you.
Next topic name is called integrating factor. Yeah, Namrata and Nikita, can I move to the next topic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Integrating factor. This is the next topic of the second unit. What is integrating factor? So the definition, actually definition, मैं अपने words का definition दूंगा आपको. Sometimes,
Sir?
yes. Tell me.
सर ये कंडीशन ऑफ एग्जैक्टनेस अपन जो भी ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करे वो कितने मार्क्स के आएंगे सर? शॉर्ट्स है सर वो?
शॉर्ट आंसर नहीं होता. शॉर्ट आंसर इसमें बनता. Find the integrating
ओके
factor.
सर.
सर नॉन एग्जैक्ट डी का क्या है?
नॉन एग्जैक्ट यहाँ से शुरू होता है. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर से नॉन एग्जैक्ट शुरू होता है. अभी मैं डेफिनेशन लिख रहा हूँ, देन यू कैन सी. समटाइम्स
Okay.
the differential equation is not exact, comma, we can make it exact by multiplying with some constant, comma, that constant is called, that constant is called an integrating factor. That constant is called an integrating factor. Now the question arises, is the constant is same every time or it is different? So my answer is every time the integrating factor will be changed according to the problem. So to understand that one, we have a cases. We have 4 different cases. Case number 1, case number 2, or we can say methods, method 1, method 2, method 3, and method 4, like case 1, case 2, case 3, and case 4. So I think I should start with the first case, that is homogeneous method. Homogeneous differential equation. To understand that concept, what I'll do it, I will be taking one question immediately so that you can understand what is going on in this question. Only you can understand everything in detail. Instead of taking the example, let me take the question only directly.
Okay, sir. Mm.
This slowly I'm doing because first problem. Okay. But I can't say that this will not come, this will come. You have to, it is there in your syllabus. That's it. And every time the question will be simple question, solve. The question is x cube y minus, sorry, यहाँ पे गलती कर दी. Not x cube, it is x square y minus 2xy square of dx minus x cube minus 3x square into y dy is equal to 0. This is your question. Can you tell me what is that? Is it in our standard form, mdx plus ndy form?
Yes, sir.
So what is m?
X square y minus 2y square.
Okay. So let me go for the solution of this solution.
The minus is there, so can we consider the
Minus is there. Minus is there. So n value should be negative. Okay, now x square y
Okay.
minus 2xy square. This is our n value. Our n value is equal to, we should multiply with the minus sign. Minus x cube minus into minus plus 3xy square. Okay. So now let me check our condition of exactness. अगर ये dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x आ गया, so directly we write the solution and we stop it. The case when they are not equal, so what we have to do it today, I'll show you. With respect to y, what happened? Can you give me the answer? Come on.
Sir, is that 3x square y or 3y square?
Sorry, writing mistake. Sorry. ऐसा कुछ है तो बोलिए प्लीज. पूरा गलत हो यार. 3x square. Writing mistake. अगर आप चेक नहीं करते ना तो रॉन्ग होता था आंसर. Now can you tell me please with respect to y? Now if you tell me the answer, then only I can move. Come on. With respect to y, what happened to this overall term?
Sir, minus 2.
With respect to y.
Zero.
With respect to y.
It would be 1.
X square. With respect to y becomes 1. Minus 2x is a constant. Y square with respect to y is 2y. So the final answer will be x square minus 4xy. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now n value, that one we have to differentiate partially with respect to x. This is equal to minus, must be as it is. X cube differentiation is 3x square plus 3 into x square differentiation is 2x.
XY.
The answer will be minus 3x square plus 6xy. Now, if you notice, they are not equal. Okay, now it means dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, this is our equation number 1 is not exact. Therefore, अभी तक के जो क्वेश्चंस करे थे, this question is totally different. One is one is not exact,
Equal to.
one is
Okay,
not exact.
exact.
एग्जैक्ट तो नहीं है. अब क्या करना है? अब ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपको क्लियर होगा. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर किसको बोलते हैं? समटाइम्स, नाउ लुक एट द डेफिनेशन. मैं जब भी आपको एक्सप्लेन नहीं करा, अब एक्सप्लेन कर. समटाइम्स द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज नॉट एग्जैक्ट, सो इट इज नॉट एग्जैक्ट. We can make it exact. We can make it exact by multiplying with some constant. That constant is called integrating factor. अब वो constant कौन से केस का है? That's the question, main question. What we have to do, you can see here. What is the power of x? A important concept बोल रहा हूँ मैं. What is the power of x? x का पावर कितना
Square.
है? 2. y का पावर कितना है?
1.
1. Together becomes 3.
Okay.
Now here 2 तो कांस्टेंट है, x का पावर 1 है, यहाँ पर 2 है. कितना हो गया? 3. फिर इंडिविजुअल x का पावर कितना है? 3. एक्स
3.
स्क्वायर y, ये कितना हो गया टोटल?
3.
All the x powers, y powers are same. The such type of differential equation is called exact differential equation. साथ अपने गाड़ियों की
Okay.
वजह से ट्रैफिक जाम हो रही है, देखो जरा. Are you getting my point? Look at that. 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 2 3, here 3, here 3. So it means that our given differential equation is exact. Not exact. It is homogeneous. ठीक है? This is case
Okay.
number 1, homogeneous. So we have 4 different cases. Today we are going to talk about homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous case में क्या करना है?
सर
Yes, come on, tell me.
सर इससे पहले का x का पावर 3 वो एक बार रिपीट कीजिए ना सर.
Okay, look at it. Yeah, first for this term, x square y. x का पावर 2 है, y का पावर 1 है. Together power is 3. For this one, x का पावर 1 है, y का पावर 2 है. Together becomes 3. यहाँ पर x का पावर पहले से ही 3 है. Now इसमें x का पावर 2 है, y का पावर 1 है. Together 3. सबका पावर 3 3 3 3 आ रहा. देख आ रहा ना? 3 3 आना या 2 2 आना या 5 5 आना, 10 10 जो भी आना, x और y के पावर सेम आना.
Okay.
सर
That
अगर
type
एक
of
टर्म
नहीं,
का भी
होमोजीनियस
अगर
नहीं
अलग
होता.
आए तो सर.
होमोजीनियस नहीं होता, फिर वो आपको सेकंड केस से नहीं तो थर्ड केस से नहीं तो फोर्थ केस से सॉल्व होता वो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay, sir.
गॉट इट?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
चल राइट, मूविंग कंटिन्यूस. चल, so one is not exact. Immediately we have to check this value, mx plus ny value, and make sure that this value should not be 0. इसकी वैल्यू चेक करेंगे, mx plus ny. कब चेक कर रहा हूं मैं ये वैल्यू? When the equation number 1 is homogeneous. ठीक है, अच्छे से सुन लो. ये homogeneous है तो चेक कर रहा हूं. mx, m value is this one. This one we have to multiply with x like that. x into x square y minus 2xy square plus n should be multiplied with y minus x cube plus 3x square y. छोटा सा भी मिस्टेक हो गया तो फिर नहीं होता. और ये प्रॉब्लम itself you can verify. x cube y, मैं बोलता हूँ वेरिफिकेशन कैसा कर. x cube y माइनस x से मल्टीप्लाई करो 2x square y square minus x cube y plus 3x square y square. Now if you notice, x cube y cancel. From 3x square y square, if you subtract 2x square y square, we should get our answer is x square y square only, which is not 0. mx plus ny की value 0 नहीं आई. Therefore, integrating factor is equals to 1 by mx plus ny. mx plus ny, which is nothing but 1 by x square y square. थोड़ा यहाँ तक एक बार चेक कर लीजिए, कहीं डाउट है तो बोलिए.
So why we writing 1 by mx plus ny?
इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर अगर mx प्लस ny इक्वल टू 0 नहीं आया तो 1 by mx प्लस ny इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
From here mx plus ny you can check all the steps. Y plus minus 6 plus taking off.
Also, so why we are multiplying? That's a is that the rule to multiply x with that term
Yes,
and
yes.
y with that
That
term?
is the case number 1 rule. This is the case 1 rule. Mx plus ny should not be 0. Mx plus ny should not be 0. Therefore, case number 1 I am talking about. Therefore, integrating factor is equal to 1 by mx plus ny. Now, once again, you can see the definition of integrating factor. क्या बोल रहे हैं अपन इसमें? Given differential equation is not exact, we can make it exact by multiplying with some constant. That constant is called integrating factor. वो constant ये है. This is that constant. ये ऐसा constant है. इसको अगर अपन इंटीग्रेट ये इक्वेशन नंबर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो नॉन एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन जाके एग्जैक्ट बन जाती है. अंडरस्टैंड? और ये क्वेश्चन कभी कभी आपको एग्जाम में कितना पूछता, डिटरमाइन इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर फ्रॉम दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में से खाली इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करो बोलते. तो ये क्वेश्चन वही है जिसमें अपन खाली इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर फाइंड आउट कर. ओके, तो अगर इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ गया तो आप लकी रहते. डिटरमाइन इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर. अभी सोल्यूशन नहीं पूछ रहा हूं, अभी अपन सोल्यूशन नहीं कर रहे. ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर फॉर दिस टर्म. अभी
Sir,
इंटीग्रेटिंग
solution
फैक्टर.
find
यस,
solution find करना मतलब only for exact, sir.
no, we have to multiply integrating factor with this equation number 1. Then this non-exact differential equation will become exact. Then we can find out its solution. अभी तो अभी नहीं कर रहे भैया, अभी नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं. खाली आपको एक पहला क्वेश्चन है ना, तो डीप में जाके मैं आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं करना चाह रहा. जस्ट आई एम शोइंग यू दिस इज एन इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर. क्योंकि एग्जाम के कुछ पेपर्स में क्या है क्वेश्चन, डिटरमाइन द इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर फ्रॉम द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. So this is the integrating factor. One part of the question is completed. अभी अपने को ये पूरे केसेस का डिस्कशन करना है.
Okay, sir.
पूरा डीप में पढ़ना है, इसको पढ़ना है, ये पढ़ना है, ये पढ़ना है, ये पढ़ना है. बट मैक्सिमम चांसेस में आपको क्वेश्चन नॉन एग्जैक्ट का नहीं पूछेगा एग्जाम. अकॉर्डिंग टू माय एक्सपीरियंस, they may ask you the question where the differential equation is exact. Simply you have to write the solution and finish it. Why? Because little confusion in this. मतलब केस 1 से करना, केस 2 से करना, केस 3 से करना, केस 4 से करना, हर एक स्टूडेंट के लिए एक चैलेंजिंग रहता है. नॉट ओनली फॉर यू, फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स. ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट के लिए भी चैलेंजिंग रहता है. विच केस वी हैव टू अप्लाई. बट आई विल शो यू होमोजेनियस. तो आज मैं आपको क्लियर कर दिया. नेक्स्ट क्लास में अपन उसको सेकंड केस क्या होता, थर्ड केस क्या होता, फोर्थ केस क्या होता, वो भी मैं आपको बताता हूँ. ठीक है, तो प्लीज आप उसको क्या बोलते हैं, डिग्रेड मत हो जाइए. यार मेरे को इंटीग्रेशन नहीं आ रहा, डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं आ रहा, मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, ऐसा डोंट गो फॉर दैट. मेरे को भी नहीं आता, आपको पता है मेरे को खुद भी नहीं आता इंटीग्रेशन, फिर भी मैं इंजीनियरिंग को 10-12 साल से पढ़ा. अंडरस्टैंड?
सर का एक एक्स्ट्रा क्लास लेते क्या सर, फिर सम सॉल्व करके डाउट्स पूछते.
अच्छी बात, ठीक है सर. ओके ओके राइट.
क्योंकि फर्स्ट यूनिट के भी कर रहे सर,
ओके
पूरे
ओके
एक साथ पूछते.
ओके, एक क्लास के बाद एक और एक क्लास भी रखता हूँ. ठीक है,
ओके सर.
ओके राइट, थैंक यू.